We've only got one quarterback on our roster right now that's taken a snap in a Division I football game. When we went through this a couple of years ago, we had two that had started games. It's a much different situation. I think it's going to be something that's going to have to play out over time. What I would tell you is I'm pleased about how all of them have gone about their business, whether it's Chris Laviano, Hayden Reddick, Gio. I'm really excited about how they've operated so far. The true challenge now will be going in the huddle, getting the play called, getting everybody lined up, getting the ball snapped on time, making you read, making sure we're in good plays. Those are things that are going to be a challenge for us all spring because we're going to be playing against some pretty good defensive players.